Hello everyone, I am Mageshwari, Assistant Professor, Department of BSc Information Technology at Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. In this video, I am going to discuss about an overview of TCP/IP protocol and that is what is the use of TCP and what is the need for using IP. First of all, TCP stands for Transmission Control Protocol and IP for Internet Protocol. It is mainly used for foundation of internet communication, which enable devices to communicate over the internet. In this diagram, it is a layered architecture. The first layer is called as application layer and second one as transport layer, network layer, after that data link layer. In TCP it has four types of layers. The application layer which uses hypertext transfer protocol, and TCP transport layer which is mainly focused for traversing data from packet from one node to another node. For that it uses TCP protocol, and then network, and in network layer it uses IP protocol, after the data link layer. This layer will helps to coordinate with another network's data link layer, another TCP model data link layer. In this architecture, from host, that means from source to destination, how the data or packet can be traveled from one node to another node. There are four layers. In application layer, the main purpose of application layer is user interaction, which uses either HTTP or TCP FTP protocols. In transport layer, it provides reliable data transmission. That means the packets should be delivered, it confirm whether the packets are delivered securely or not. And it uses the layers TCP and UDP. Internet layer, the main theme of internet layer is to access internet services, and for communication purpose it uses routing and addressing. Routing is nothing but to provide a path for the different packets among the network, and addressing which helps to find out which address the packet needs to move forward. After that, network access layer, the physical data transmission, it will helps to transfer the packets from one node to another node. Key protocols which is supported in TCP and IP. Transport layer, in TCP it is a connection oriented and reliable communication, but in UDP it's a connectionless but faster and also less reliable communication. Connection oriented means the sender, for example, if I am sending a mail from my mail ID to another mail ID, the destination person need not to available to receive my message. But in connectionless, it's an example for mobile phones. We are calling, if we want to transfer or communicate through phone, definitely the end user should be available in order to pick our call and also receive our information. This is the example for connectionless and connection oriented protocols, that is done in the transport layer. And in internet layer, in the main theme of internet layer is to provide address and routing. How the TCP and IP will works. In this layered architecture diagram, from computer A means it's a source machine, and it has four different layers: application, transport, internet, and the network access layer. The first application layer will forward the packets to transport layer. After that, it will forward to internet and network access layer. The bottom of the layer is network access layer. The packet will delivered from network access layer to another network access layer of destination machine. After that, once it will receive a destination machine network layer, it will be forwarded to internet, transport, and application layer, and then it receive finally destination machine. This is the architecture of TCP, how it will forward the packets from among different layers. There exist a lot of advantages and drawbacks while we are using TCP protocols, TCP and IP. Here are some advantages. It uses standardized communication protocol. It is scalable and interoperable. It also supports for multiple applications. Limitation, that means drawbacks are security concerns, complex configuration in same cases. There exist a lot of applications of TCP and IP. The best examples of web browsing, email services, file transferring, video streaming, including icons, logs, logos, or familiar services, for example, browsing, mail communication, etc. Thank you.